In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on General Management. Then you need to tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill, hit Google, and click on one of your apps you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock and to edit username or password, hit edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!